Here's Lasko 18-inch oscillating table fan that I created a few months back when I got the Lasko 18-inch oscillating pedestal fan, well, S18902 or something. I guess this is T or D. I'm assuming the model number was 2027 for this. But yeah, it is a decent performer. It's definitely not. It definitely doesn't go fast because of how big these parts are. It definitely would have worked better if I had the Lasko 16-inch pedestal fan parts. Usually the parts fan, it's the same idea, just the blade is the only difference. It just has the Lasko 16-inch oscillating pedestal fan blade inside of it, which works a lot better. And stay tuned, I'll be making an 18-inch wall fan version. Right now this is the floor version. Here's the side of it. Here's the left side. Oh. In the back, which and in case if you were wondering, it tilts like that. It doesn't want to stay. It doesn't really it tilts down pretty easily though. I'll show you guys the model number, which should be right over here somewhere. It probably won't focus, but it probably said model 2022. Before I turn it on, there it is in the frame fully. So I'll start it up here on low speed. As you can tell, it's very slow and sluggish. Makes a tiny bit of noise. And not much airflow. It is very quiet, but I mean the air isn't bad. It's not great. Just listen to how bad these like this how slow it is. I forgot to show you the badge. It's starting to make that weird hum that usually the pedestal fan motor has. Okay, medium. Airflow is still not great. Let me get something real quick. Hold on. I got this laundry dryer sheet right here, and the fan, it's barely blowing it. And then here's high speed. still not that fast. I mean, I'm kind of impressed. I mean, it's really not a bad performer. I'm kind of impressed with it. It's got the classic unbalanced Lasko shake to it. And go ahead and turn it off. That's the Lasko 18-inch Cyclone, I guess, table fan. It's a very cool creation, but in performance-wise, it's not the best. The spin on time is decent, though. So thanks for watching. Catch you guys in the next fan video. Peace.